So, don't ano the figures kasi kahapon ina-announce ko 297. Akala ko nabawasan na kasi nag-open yung binisita ko. Pero hindi nabawasan, nadagdagan, naging 300 na naman. So majority are of course in Luzon kasi pinakamalaking landmass. I think 170 plus of the 300 are in Luzon and then distributed to Visayas and Mindanao. So minamap na namin to. So I've actually instructed my regional directors to inspect kasi ang dami niya di ba? 300. Papabisita ko lahat yan and then papamonitor kung bakit hindi pa nagbibigay ng services. So what I can tell you is when I reviewed the super health centers, there are 818 that have been actually funded. 818 and about 500 were completed. That means yung remaining 300 are ongoing. So hindi ko pa pwedeng pakialaman yun. Let them finish first. Pero those that have been completed, chinek namin. Ilan ang functional, ilan ang not functional. Yun yung 300. Yung kahapon 297, yesterday evening naging 300 siya. 300 facilities that have been completed, ang tawag namin ready for occupancy. Gumawa ako ng citizens participatory action. And this means reporting. Actually, sabi ko nga sa kanila, since I started investigating the health centers, may mga nagme-message na sa akin sa social media about specific health centers in their specific locations. So mukhang maganda talaga yung suggestions. I'll be creating a citizens participatory action. Pera naman to ng mga taong bayan. So yung taong bayan na rin ang mag-report sa akin ng mga facility na nakapadlock or hindi gumagana at mai-report sa akin at mapuntahan namin.